Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Like in this video, we will going to look at the function that is called index match. It's slightly improved version of the VLOOKUP where we have some kind of problem in VLOOKUP, but in this case, we can solve that problem using the index match. So basically, going to the that data, I will going to show you in this small table. So suppose how the VLOOKUP function works. So first, index match. Okay, so first one is index. Now you have to write the array. The array is what is the name of the this table? The table name is you can find if you click. Okay, don't click here. Okay, just I have to find out the which what is the name of this table. Just click here, go to the table design. You can say it's students. Students is the table's name. Okay, so now come here. It is equals to index, and what is the name of the table? Students, right? Now you want what? The row number. Row number is which one? So this is first row number one. Uh, so now we want the row number. So you can see the row number is this one, row number one, two, three, four, and this one is also a row number. Now this is the column numbers, one name and marks. So I want two. I give you the two is a row number, and column number I give the one. So in between put the comma. Now tell me what you will get. You will get the John, right? So how it works? Suppose this is this index function where you have the table name. Now you specify the row number here that is 2, that is 1, 2, John, and 1 is the column number. The 1 is column number and this marks is the second column number. So now if I put the 2 here again, so to get tell me which one I get. I got the 400. Look at here. Simple. So index basically give you the value that you are looking at. Okay, so this is the index function. Now just look at the match function. What is the match function? Match function basically give you the exact position of that particular item, place, or anything. So first I want match, so press match function. Now what value I have to specify? Okay, so I want John, right? J John, John, and in which you have to write the lookup array. So lookup array is here. Students, students, and which one have I? Student and student, student name. Okay, I have the student name and just press it here and comma. You have to find the which one that is zero for the exact match. Press here and close the bracket. Now look at here. So you got the two value here, which is the value of the this zone, right? So uh, this is showing you the that name. The value of this one zone is two, like it is in the position of two. So how we can implement this thing to getting the value here? So let's move to the this our movies file. Now you have to press that formula we already looked at how we can get the that budget function from the financial one into this value. So in budget, how I get, just made it little bit so I get the extra space. Okay, so now if I want to get the this this budget here with the uses with the uh, using of the index match function. So first press equals to index. Okay, so index, and in index function we have to give the table name. So we want to get the table names or index. So what is the table name here? The table name is financial, comma, and the second one is, we want which one? Row number. Look at here. The row number is 2. Sorry. The row number that you want is what? This is 1, right? This is the row number 1 and the column number is 2. So you have to get the row number and the column number. Okay, so just proceed this one. So row number is 1 and the column number is 2. Now close the bracket and give okay. Now you got that this is 1, right? Okay, so this is clear, but I'm getting 1 in all the values. This 1 in all the values. We don't require that thing. So this is the simple function. How this is the simple function. Okay, so this is the simple function that I got this one value. Now I want to automate it, because if I drag this one, I get 1 in everywhere, because I only specify 1 that is from that column row number, and this is the suppose I change this to the uh, in this particular area. Suppose I change to 2, and this one is what? Uh, 2, and this one is 2. Now I got the 200. Look at here, 200. But it's really hard to do this thing again and again. For that, what you can use the in place of one the another formula, that is the formula is match. Match in match you can add the which of lookup value we have to see. We have to see the this movies ID, right? Movies ID, and in match function we have to apply the that now we have to apply the lookup value. Sorry, we already applied the lookup value. Now we have to apply the lookup array. So which one is the lookup array here? That is financial movie IDs. Okay, so we have to look at the finance financial movies ID. Movies ID. Close the bracket. Now to do the exact match type, you have to put the exact match 0. Okay. Now this is clear up to this much, and then if you put the bracket here and if you press this one, so I think you will get the answer here. Let's press the enter. Okay, it's cool. We got the value perfectly. uh 1 200 165, this one. 1 200 1 200 165, this one we got easily. Okay, we don't feel that much pain. So I will explain you this thing very like shortly. The first one is, this one is index. In index, so in this formula, I already told you about the this one is the financial, and the second part we have the match function. In match, uh, this is the we know the argument that take in the match function is first one is the lookup value. So we know the lookup value is movie IDs. This one is the ID that we have to look at, and the second one is uh, lookup value. So the lookup value that you have is financial movie ID, right? We have to look at the financial movie ID, and after that, uh, for exact match, you have to check the that 0. Okay, so what this formula do? It's basically tell you the column number, basically column number to check in every file in the financial and place here. So this is the main function, and 2 is here. It's what do you have? The suppose. Oh, sorry. This one tells you the row number. Okay, movies ID from here, and financial movie ID. It looked at in the other side of the financial table here, and after that you have the 0 for the exact match. It's simple, folks. Just you have to learn these things separately and don't confuse with that sentence because it's become bigger and bigger. But once you do the practice of a small sentence and the other thing, you will easily get this thing because uh, it if you are try to mug up or if you try to learn these concepts, it's become little bit tricky. So you can use the Google and the other thing to get the perfect and to get the values that you desire want, and you can make the value this kind of value by yourself. Okay, so now up to this much clear. uh, Now if you press this one like this, it's showing the error. Look at it showing the title error and this thing. So how we can fix it? So just delete it. Okay. Now we have to fix it. So what we can do in place of two, right? In place of two, we can automate these things to get the another value because two is what? Two is the column number. In place of this one, we have the three. If you put three here, you will get the look at it. Just I'm placing this one, and now if I put the three here. Okay, I changed to another one because it's a reference. It I will get this one, but we don't want that thing. So what I can do? Okay, so in this case, we have to use the match function again. So press match, and after that, what we have to look at? Okay, so we have to look at the budget, right? So press double budget. Budget, because we are looking at the budget column that we want the value here. That's why we have to write the budget. And there is one thing that you have to learn the financials. Okay, this is header. I will tell you what is this one is the header. The header is this one. And for doing the exactness, you can put the 0 here. Okay, sounds great. And now just put the another one, and yeah, just if you press this one, you will get the value again. Now what is the uses of the header, hashtag header? It basically give you the okay, press here, control C. It's basically uh, uh, so if you press the financial header, you will get the header of the financial movie ID, budget, this thing. So ultimately in column number we want what? We want the this thing. So that's why we are putting the this value here. Okay, clear? It sounds fun. Now, this is clear up to this much. Okay, so we want to get the revenue unit currency also. So if you drag this one, look at here, we are getting the value error. What is the error? You can see if you press here, you get this is movie ID, but if you press here, it changes to the title. So I told you in the last video how to fix it. Just go to this part, okay? And just I'm fixing this thing, okay? And and if you go to the movie ID in financial, and if you go to the movie budget, it changes to the budget again. So there is something wrong that we have to look at. So for that, just go to just delete this one and go to here and just changes this one to the okay. Put the colon and write the movie ID. Movie ID. Good. Now same here because we also want to get the same thing. So for that there is no any another square bracket. So you can put the square bracket here and same this side also and put the colon and if you put the colon then you can add the movie ID here also. Sounds fun. Now if you have this kind of formula, now if you press the enter, uh, it's showing some error here. Okay, because we have to put the that uh, bracket here also, right? Now movie ID. Okay, so now it will going to work, I guess. Look at here, but we got the this one again. So what is the main reason we got the one again? Can you tell me now? Because ultimately we just changes it's the this one. Okay. Now if you press here and just change it to the revenue, okay, you got the revenue. Sounds great. Now here you have budget, here you have revenue, here if you press the unit, you will get the unit, this thing. But I want to automate this one also. So for that, what you can use the one function that is now to automate this one, you have to use the one formula that is this one. I will say show you the formula equals to movies, and okay, I will show you here, not here. Uh, just click here and move to the this part in this particular section because I want the automation. They automatically select the revenue unit and currency because every time if write the unit currency in the real industry or company, it becomes really annoying, right? So I want to automate all those things together. So in place of budget, I'm writing the one that movies, movies, and then I provide the table name movies, and after that I have to put the header here. Okay, so what is the function of header? I told you it will give the header all the values, and then after that I write the budget here. Budget, budget. Okay, now close the bracket. Now if you close there, you have to close here also. Cool, sounds cool. Now look at the function. You got the now if you enter it, you will get again. Now if you just clear this content first, clear content. Now go here and just try to drag it here, this side. Look at here. So you got the value exactly. If you click here, now what happened? Just press this thing, double click here. Now you got the this revenue. Look at the 944. Okay. Now here in the head unit part, I think it's showing some error. Now it's showing right value, billions, and this one is okay. No, it's I don't know why it's showing this one. Just press here, double click. So it's showing. Okay. Now if you drag this one here also. Okay, cool. Now we got all the values exactly. We don't face any difficulties here to get these values. So this is the very big formula, folks. But you have to learn this formula by separately. I told you, and you can Google it also. And so it's basically a little bit complex, but if you work in more and more, you can get this thing easily. You will not like face any difficulties because this is the automation thing. Here is all the quantity is that not fixed. It is dynamic or like it's have the value according to the table. If you changes in the table, you will get to see the result here also. Okay, and the what one more function. What is the function that if I changes here, suppose I insert the one, uh, go to the financial. Okay, now press here, insert anything. Previously, using the VLOOKUP function, if we put this thing here, we can see the like there is some missing value. But now it's good. We can see easily. Okay, there is no difficulties. So for this purpose, the this index match is very important. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. For this video, this much is enough. Now, in next video, we will going to look at this kind of anomalies and the error function that we will going to fix it. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.